480.
480. This one? This one?
Same price.
Same price.
650.
650. Four. Okay. How much for this?
480.
480 for this. This one 600, huh?
Yes.
How much for this? 180. How much
300.
for this one? Yeah. 650. 490, right? Sir, how much for this? 180.
Yeah.
This the first quality. This one.
Yeah.
And this one, how much?
300.
300 for this.
Yeah. 300.
Excuse me, ma'am. How much for this?
380.
380. This one. And this one?
This one 480.
480.
Yes.
In this, do you have any without the lace? Without lace?
How much?
Without lace, have?
No.
And how much for this one?
480.
480 for this.
我都全部都係同型嘅嘛？啊？
How much for this one? Yeah. This one? Only one, right? This is the best quality.
Yeah.
And this one?
650.
650. How many colors do you have in this?
The other have later.
No, color. Which color do you have? Another color?
Like
Yes, this color have?
呢張係紐口皮，我試下紐皮。
Have. This one, how much you told me? 650 for this. How much last for this? Final price.
Finally price.
Two piece. How much you can do?
Which one?
This one.
Total 姐姐咩人？姐姐咩啊？Total 1,200.
Only 50 discount.
No big profits. First price also very nice though. Really, my first price.
I have one. I put here. I have one bag. I put here in hotel. Yeah.
And my quality also nice though.
Yeah, I know. I have taken from here. The back side I take from. The luggage bag. This back side.
So you check my quality and the price. First price also very low price.
Only two colors have, huh?
Yes,
Only
this
two
color
colors.
and this color.
This color and this color. Thank you. How much for this one?
This one.
The black one.
600.
600 for this.
That's quality.
Show me. Can you see?
Yes, okay.
This one 600, huh?
Yes.
This one
620.
620 for this.
Yang penting kamu suka aja modelnya yang mana. Apa kamu tetap dari dua sepatu yang kamu suka itu?
This one?
620.
This also.
Yes.
This is the best price. Best quality and best price I want also.
Price, last price.
Last price. Thank you. $650. How many colors do you have in this?
Many color, but need to order.
Need to order. How many days?
5 days.
5 days. This one?
Same price.
Same price. If I to buy, how much you can do last? Yes. Two different color. No. 580 only. Little discount. Huh?
Check that. Many color.
All color have, huh?
Order have.
Hmm. Okay, you send me color.
Okay,
In
okay,
WeChat.
okay.
I will go hotel. I will do charge.
Yes, okay.
Bye bye. Bye bye. Excuse me. How much for this?
380
This is for women, men.
for all.
All. Huh? $380.
Yes.
Excuse me. How much for this?
This one 700.
780. One color only?
We can try.
Thank you. Excuse me, ma'am. How much for this one? This one? 300. Do you have any other color in this? Two colors only?
Oh, 2 color. Okay. It's okay.
This is the best quality?
It's good quality.
This good quality.
It's leather.
Rexine, not leather. Rexine, PU, this. I know. On how much?
This 450.
450. Good quality. No, too much, mama. Okay, thank you. Bye bye. Excuse me. How much for this?
This together for 90.
90. 490, right?
Yes.
Only two colors?
Yes.
This is all crocodile.
English.
Yeah, 12. This is all crocodile.
Sorry.
This is all crocodile.
No. This
This crocodile. This PU.
no. 这个是德国哈士原厂的皮。
This is the original
Yeah.
Ah, okay. How much for this? How much? How much? 2,900. And this one?
This
Chiga crocodile, right? Chiga crocodile,
Yes,
right?
yes.
How much for this?
this
Yes. 8,000. 8,000 for this, huh?
yes.
Okay, and big one? The big one? 13,000 RMB, huh?
Yes.
Chiga same also? This also same. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Package.
Okay. Thank you. We'll come back. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye. Excuse me. Hi. How much for this?
Yes.
Yes.
Your price.
650. 640.
Hmm?
640, huh? 640, this price, huh?
This last price lah.
This one, the black one, this one. How much for this? And this one? 530. How much for this knocked face?
No face.
How much?
This is 290.
290. This is the good quality.
Yeah, good.
You have good quality, best quality have?
Good quality.
This good quality.
Yes.
And this one? How much for this?
480.
480.
Yes.
480.
480.
480. Okay. How much for this wave?
140.
140. How many buff?
40,000.
40,000 buff. How much this LV?
480.
480. This is the best quality?
Top quality.
Top quality, huh? How much you can do for the buff vape? 100 pieces, how much you can do?
100 piece. 100.
100. The best price? Best price, huh?
Yes.
How much for this?
590.
590. This one is the black one. 590 same.
Yes.
One Jordan black. What do you call? Jordan 4. For this?
590.
How much for this Bringle?
It's one by one, so 350. 350.
One piece, huh?
One piece, yeah.
The best quality this, huh?
It's a high quality.
High quality, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. The rings? How much for ring?
Rings?
Yeah.
Rings 219.
219.
Yeah, one piece.
90 or 19?
219.
90.
Yeah, 219. Yeah.
Thank you. How much for this?
100. And where cheap
Thank you. 你好，这 how much? This one? This one how much?
It's 200.
Yeah, 200. And this one? The black one? The black one?
It's black.
How much?
200.
200. This one also?
So,
Okay. And the shirts, what about the shirts? How much for this? Like? How much for this? Excuse me, how much for this?
this is 140.
140. This is all branded, did you have, huh? This is with shagat, this with shagat, this one, huh?
It's 150.
150.